All right, what we have here is a 1972.
What year is it, Dad?
76, okay.
International Scout.
All right. Jay's been looking for something to build and wanted something that was kind of a classic. So I think he did real good with this one. Tell us, Jay, what all you got to do there.
If you come around here, this is where we really got into what it's going to be needing.
Oh, just order another case of Bondo. You'll be all right.
Fill it in.
Yeah, it's already knocked in. All you got to do is fill it up.
That's right. But we got us some crusties on the inside. Not bad.
Yeah.
We'll do.
Well, I see you've already started on it. Got all the seats out and everything disassembled because it was a pretty nice looking truck when it first came in.
Mm-hmm.
All right. A little bit of damage back here, underneath, floor, wheelhouse, but nothing that a good body man can't fix. Do you know one?
Now,
All right. Well, looks like work to me, but I guess it'll be worth it in the long run.
let's pack this thing back up right here.
Yeah.
Hang your hat on that.
Mm-hmm.
That'll be a good one.
Yeah. I think you did good. It's a great purchase. This side is all in really good shape, other than just a little bit of rust down here. Not much at all. Yeah. Take care of that. But all in all, I think you did good. I think it'll make a really nice project.
Yep. And it's got the 304, I think is what it is. Either
Yep.
way, VA. So, now I think they have like 6 different platforms for this, for the motor. So that was one of the ones I was wanting, was one of the actual international motors, because they had some different ones. So.
Yeah, and you bought a donor truck that's got everything, 4-wheel drive, so you can change it all over.
2-wheel drive.
Yeah.
Which is also half of why it's in kind of decent shape.
Oh, you don't think it's been mudding, huh?
I don't think so.
Yeah. Didn't look like a mud truck.
No.
Yeah.
So we'll
Let's
swap
pop
all
that
4
hood and
drive.
take a look at the power plant in there. Oh, yeah. Like this little hefty little switch here.
I forgot to turn that.
Looks like the deal for Frankenstein when they fired him up. Just get Frankenstein going here.
And the dude had done the AC already before, fixed the compressor.
Yeah, changed it to R134.
Yep.
That's good. A lot of stuff already been done to it. A lot of money been spent on it, so that will save you in the long run of having to do. For sure. Well, that's great. We just keep track on the project and keep you fired up on it. It'll get together pretty quick, hopefully.
Yay.
That,
Now if
be
we can
nice.
get Adrian over here to do some
Adrian, who's he?
pictures, filming.
Well, we just had to take this on to get started, so maybe he'll get in here and get something going on it. All right, good deal.